Welcome to Architecture, a hard to pronounce show, but easy to remember, hopefully. We wanted to address not only the idea of mobile design or nomadic design, because a lot of aspects of architecture in architectural history have been around the idea of changing the idea what is a home, what is architecture as a fixed element.
When we were asked to do the show, we were thinking about how does one approach this notion of a mobile or nomadic living environment. Lots of architects experimented with inflatables. And it was a period when architects were trying to get away from the physicality of building and to think about architecture as being just air.
My project is based on industrial upcycling. I've been very interested in manufacturing and adaptive reuse. And so this idea really very much fits in with that thinking in terms of pop-up retail establishments that, why are we spending so much money in brick and mortar when buildings could actually come to you and ideas could come to you.
And so we thought that this idea of the urban nomad that has become a sort of romantic staple of architectural imagination for some time now, we imagined what effectively is an inside-out RV. This young urban nomad, unable to actually afford a house in Los Angeles, but possibly able to afford something like this. And all of the amenities and requirements of a typical suburban house would be supplied for you in these various modules.